Hello, and today we'll be looking at the PPC Plastic Plane Company British Airways Boeing 747-400 with the Union tail livery. As you can see here, we have the body or the fuselage. As you can see, it's quite a large size one, as it is a double-decker plane. As you can clearly see layer 1, layer 2. Now first off is to attach the wings to the body, as this is a snap fit kit that you can put together out of glue. They are here. So let's start with first wing, which will just clip onto the body like so. Wing 1, and turn it around, and you can put the second wing on. There you have the wings, and as you can see, they've got some nice details. Got very nice jet engines. As you can see, markings for the flaps and ailerons on this plane. A registration number on the bottom. Very nice wings all together. Now, moving on from the wings, the tail of the plane. We'll start with the horizontal stabilizers, which are these two parts here. Same principle as the wings. They will just fit onto the back like so. There's one. Let's put the other wing on first. They kind of clip together, so if one wing is being over, you can just switch the order that you place them on. Just put one on again. And then they'll clip together. So they're a little, you can see, kind of fit together, so putting that wing on first seems to be the better play. So now you have the wings, the horizontal stabilizers. So now onto the vertical stabilizer with the Union livery on it. And that fits onto the back like so. And there you have it. You see the very nice logo livery. You can see a marking, it's very faint, as you can see, you can feel it, for the rudders, and marks on here for the elevate, and there's markings here for the elevators on the horizontal stabilizers. Now, having a look at it generally, see there's some very nice detail. We've got a nice British Airways logo. We've got this nice livery. You see the cockpit. See the two floors distinctly marked. Nice, good shape for it. We have a registration of G, let's see if we can get it to focus, GBNLG, which is also, again, printed on the underwing here. These wings have got a little turn up to the side, and we've got little markings all around, like the NLG. Very nice detail on the doors. See, different markings. Looking at the other side, we've got a little marking right here, which I believe it says Royal Mail. So, yeah. Actually, that is the model completed. Very nice model. Got a wingspan of about 28.2 centimeters, which is, very nice length. And it's about 25.7 meters long, which is, again, it's a very decent size. This model is very nice. Very nice colors. Obviously, the colors stand up very nicely. Not washed or anything. They are very strong. And that moves us onto the stand, as this model doesn't have any landing gear, as you can see, but it does have a display stand which says British Airways Boeing 747-400 scale 1/250, which that just puts together with two pieces, slides together, and as you can see, there's a little mark just here where the stand fits in. That pushes on, and there you go. The Boeing 747-400 with the Union tail livery and the British Airways brand. If a quick one last look before we move on to the box it comes in, which is this box right here. As you can see, we have a picture of a real Boeing 747-400, which is the exact plane this one is. You can see this was on a runway. This is a plane mid-air. Moving on, we've got, again, British Airways. Model of the plane, as you see here. Officially licensed by Boeing. We've got scale. And then we have some info about a real one, such as its length, its wingspan, its height, and how many passengers it could handle, which for this one, 421, which is a good amount. And this is available now from modelcorner.co.uk.